Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to tell you how you can get an open work permit for Luxembourg through a free recruitment agency. An open work permit will allow you to work for any employer in Luxembourg for any job position that they have for you. It could be skilled positions like developers, financial analysts, etc., or even for unskilled positions like drivers, warehouse workers, or farm workers. In last week's video, we covered how you can find specific jobs through a free recruitment agency LHH, and today I'm going to show you how you can even get an open work permit for Luxembourg through them. The instructions are given directly from representatives at LHH and will take just 5 minutes to apply. Again, this agency is completely free to register and apply as they are paid by employers in Luxembourg. You'll just need your CV and cover letter and you can apply for an open work permit. In this video, I'm going to tell you all the top job sectors that you can apply to in Luxembourg along with how much you can earn through them per month and a step-by-step demonstration on applying for an open work permit for Luxembourg through LHH as well. So do watch the video till the end. Hey guys, this is Jason from Dream Canada. If you're new to the channel, I show people how to save their money and immigrate to new countries through my videos without the help of any immigration consultants or agents or lawyers. You can find all the process instructions for you to apply on your own through this channel. Subscribe now because all the information provided here is completely free and I answer all your queries in the comment section and on my social handles on Instagram and Twitter, so don't forget to follow us there as well. You can even get in touch with us directly via WhatsApp on the number shared on the screen. Before we get to the open work permit, let's have a look at what you can possibly earn for various jobs in Luxembourg. As for skilled positions, roles in IT can pay as high as 6,000 euros per month. Roles in finance can pay as high as 7,000 to 9,000 euros per month. Senior roles in hospitality can pay as high as 3,500 euros per month. Roles in HR and admin can pay as high as 4,900 euros per month. Roles in engineering can pay as high as 4,600 euros per month. Teaching roles can pay as high as 4,000 euros per month. And roles in healthcare can pay as high as 5,500 euros per month. As for unskilled positions, waiters or waitresses, housekeepers, kitchen staff and front desk receptionists can make as high as 2,000 to 2,500 euros per month. Roles in construction can make as high as 2,000 to 3,500 euros per month. Roles in manufacturing like assembly line workers and packers can make as high as 2,300 to 2,800 euros per month. Roles in logistics like warehouse workers and drivers can make as high as 2,400 to 3,000 euros per month. And cleaning jobs like industrial cleaners or janitors can earn as high as 2,000 to 2,500 euros per month. Now getting straight to the LHH website, I've added a link to this page in the description box. On this homepage, you can search for your job profile here by entering the job title or keyword and the location where you would like to work. Now keep in mind that these are for specific jobs that you would be given a visa for. For an open work permit, you'll have to just click this submit CV option here and you'll see that you've shown interest for an open application, which means recruiters from LHH will go through your documents, which are your CV and cover letter, and send across application details for any job that's open and that's relevant to your experience and skills. It's not necessary that you stick to your job role. You can be offered easy job roles like warehouse workers or delivery driver roles, which are faster to get. Make a note of this job reference number as you'll need it for future communication with the company. Set the language to English towards the right. Next, you have to upload your CV either through your device or Drive or Dropbox, wherever you have it saved. Before uploading this, make sure that it's in the correct format that includes the necessary keywords that are relevant to your profile. If you don't know the format or keywords to use, you can reach out to us and we'll make these documents for you at a nominal cost. Also, do remember to keep your CV file size below 3 megabytes. Let's say you're uploading your CV from your device. Click on your device here. Select the CV you wish to upload and click on Open. Your CV will now upload and you'll get a confirmation that it's been uploaded along with the job number again, which you have to remember. After this, it's pretty straightforward where you have to just fill in a few personal details, and when you scroll below, you'll see a section to add attachments. This is where you have to upload your cover letter and nothing else. So in total, you have to just submit 2 documents, which are your CV and your cover letter, that's all. Next, just tick the consent points here and click on confirm and apply. You can choose to opt out of the marketing communication point here, but I wouldn't recommend this as a lot of vacancies are also sent across through these modes. After you apply, you'll receive a confirmation email for it, and further information about your virtual interviews will be communicated directly by the employer as well. Alright guys, so that was how you can apply for a Luxembourg open work permit. For more immigration and travel tips, do subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified for new updates. Thanks for watching and all the best for your application.